हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज गोयल। आई एम बैक अगेन विद येट अनदर बेसिक वीडियो। तो आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं कुछ और अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज की, बेसिकली इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर द बैच ऑफ 2022 एज वेल एज 23। कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर फॉर 24 एज वेल। तो डू स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड शेयर इट विद द फ्रेंड्स. Also don't forget to comment in the comment box. That gives a lot of motivation to make more videos and help you. The first opportunity for the day is by BrowserStack. It has recently become a unicorn and they are inviting 2022 engineering graduates for software development engineer full-time role as well as for 6 months internship. So they're looking forward to SDET for 6 months intern and software engineers for 6 months intern as well as full-time roles. For this particular thing, you need to contact their the employees who are already working at BrowserStack. So there is one such person known as Rajpinder Kaur. You can connect with her. I'll give the link to this post in the description below. Apart from that, you can connect with any other employee who is working at BrowserStack and you can get a referral through him or her, and you can definitely apply for this particular opportunity, and it's one of the amazing opportunities. Next opportunity is by VMware. So VMware is hiring for intern or member of technical staff. So this is basically a role, it's a remote role and location in general is Bangalore. They are looking forward to product intern and new graduate opportunities. So if you are passing, like if you're currently pursuing your bachelor's, master's or PhD in computer science or related fields, so you can definitely apply for the same, and you the batch of 22, 23, 24 all are eligible. So all of you can try in this particular opportunity and you can work as an intern at VMware. In actual, the CTC that they offer to software engineer at VMware is 20 lakhs per annum. So you can completely understand what will be the impact of working as an intern here. Next opportunity is by HackerRank. So they are hiring for software engineer interns for 6 months. So here also, like, the eligibility criteria is open. 22, 23, 24 all are eligible. So they just want people who have good skills, who have working knowledge of any of the coding languages. So this is something that they want it to be. So it's for 6 months. It's a paid internship and remote full-time internship. Anybody can apply for the same, as they have very clearly mentioned. So definitely you should apply for the same. The stipend that they give is also amazing. Apart from that, a lot of goodies and other perks you will get working at HackerRank as a software engineer intern. So it's a must apply opportunity. Definitely go ahead and apply. So next opportunity is by Google. So Google is hiring for software engineer intern 2022. It's hiring for different locations. I'll give the link to India location also, but currently the opening that you are seeing is for Singapore. So you can apply for Singapore as well, and you can apply for India as well. So definitely this is something that you can apply for. They will be prioritizing applicants who have right to work in Singapore, but maybe it's open to all. Like if you are a perfect candidate, definitely you can get a chance to work at Google as an intern. So now there is a small message for you all from Relevel. Relevel is a platform by Unacademy where you can get to work at some of the amazing companies through different tests, and it's completely free. You can check out their different themes that they're working upon. One is business development, front-end development and back-end development test. Now let's have a look at the business development test. So you can get a job worth rupees 10 lakhs per annum in business development at companies like Urban Company, Cred, 1MG, Elite Squared. So you can definitely check out what's the process. The process is basically there'll be an aptitude test. You will be having an MCQ test to know about the industry, testing your confidence, making your pitch, and finally facing the interview. After that, once you have a score of 700 and above, your profile will be shown to recruiters and you will be shortlisted for interviews at these companies. It is something that can help you get a job. Also, you can download the brochure from here and get to know the syllabus of this particular business development test. Next opportunity is by Hike. Hike is hiring for machine learning intern in remote location. If you are in batch of 22, 23, both of the batches are eligible to apply for this, and you should have some good knowledge of Python and related stuff. So you should have built some good projects in ML, AI, data science. So then you will be the preferred candidate for the same. So you should have done BTech or MS from a top tier institute, preferably final year computer science. So if you're in final year, then you are more preferable, but batch of 23 can also apply for the same. You will be working upon their tools like MacBook and a lot of different things that they have mentioned in their benefit section. Go ahead and check out that as well. Last opportunity of the day is Java developer opportunity at Citibank. So if you have graduated in 2021, this is opportunity for you. So all the batches of 21, 2020 and 2019 can apply for the same. It's 0 to 2 years experience that they require. You should have experience working and implementing successful projects, and you should have done a bachelor degree or a university degree from any of the colleges within India. So this was the video for the day. If you like this video, don't forget to like button, share it with the friends, and do subscribe this channel for amazing content coming ahead.